There's like so much wind and wind noise. I wonder if I should just do this whole thing by sign language. Well, if you want to know what I'm about to do, hold that thought, stick around, and I'll be right back. Okay, hi everybody, it's David-Dorian Ross. It is a beautiful, windy, but sunny and warm day out here on the beach. And welcome. If this is your first time to this channel, by the way, welcome to Learn Tai Chi at Home. It's a channel where we teach you how to do Tai Chi wherever you are, at home, in your living room, on the beach, out in the park. Because people want to get better health, or they want to live longer and feel younger. They want to find inner peace and tranquility, or maybe you're looking to see if Tai Chi works as a martial art and can defend yourself against attackers. Whatever you're interested in, you've got the right place, and all you got to do is hit the subscribe button, and you can be part of the whole scene here. Today, I am out here on the beach. I haven't been out on the beach in quite a while because I've been traveling and I took a little break. But gosh, today was just so gorgeous. I had to come out and shoot a 10-minute Tai Chi video. This is something that's so easy to do. I don't care if you've never done Tai Chi before, or if you're one of my regulars. You can just follow along. I'm gonna get out there right next to the water, get a little ocean over my feet, maybe a little sand in my toes. So come on, just 10 minutes and join me. Okay, that was beautiful. Thank you guys very much for joining me on that 10 minutes. I hope that you did more than just watch. You got up and moved the coffee table aside or took it out to the park and did it with me there. That'd be nice. If this is your first time to this channel, I'm hoping that by now you've looked at it and go, yeah, I could do this. I could learn Tai Chi at home, or at least follow, as long as it's with this guy, David-Dorian, because he takes me to the beach. What's not to love? And if you do feel like that, then once again, hit that subscribe button and you can follow along as I make more of these. If you are one of my regulars, again, you know how much I love you. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my Tai Chi with you. Now, if you've got any special requests or questions or whatever, you know what to do. Down there in the comment section. I always do that, like there's an accurate place, you know. Anyway, somewhere below the video is a place for you to write comments and questions and whatnot. But the other thing is, in addition to all the great love that you give me, how about this? Can you hit the share button? The share button is how we meet new people. And so that's really what's so much fun about doing a YouTube channel, is meeting new people. So if you wouldn't mind, and if you like the video, hit the share button and share this with somebody that you love. Anyway, that's all I got. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to do some Tai Chi, maybe here on the beach, and I hope that you'll join me. So I'll see you in the next video.